Grace's Great Summer Adventure. Today is the last day of school, and the final bell rings out, a happy song of freedom. Grace bursts out of the classroom, her backpack bouncing with every joyful skip. Summer vacation is here, she cheers to the sunny sky. First stop on her summer adventure is a trip to visit her grandparents. They live in a cozy cottage, nestled by the sparkling waters of Lake Erie. Grace loves it there. It's a place where time seems to slow down, and every day is filled with warmth and laughter. Grace and her grandpa spend their mornings by the water. He teaches her how to skip stones across the calm surface of the lake, and they watch as the ripples spread out like magic circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 skips. Grace shouts with delight. In the evenings, the whole family gathers around the table to play board games. The sound of rolling dice and cheerful shouts fills the little cottage. Even when she doesn't win, Grace loves the feeling of being together, sharing stories and snacks. After a wonderful week at the cottage, it's time for summer camp. Grace feels a little nervous as she waves goodbye to her parents, but the excitement of making new friends soon takes over. Her cabin is filled with other girls her age, all chattering and laughing. At camp, Grace learns how to build a crackling campfire and sing silly songs that make everyone giggle. She roasts marshmallows until they are perfectly golden brown and gooey, a sweet treat under the starry night sky. The biggest adventure of the summer is a 2-week road trip to Cape Cod with her parents. Grace has her face pressed against the car window, watching the world whiz by. They sing along to the radio and play I Spy to pass the time. When they finally arrive, Grace is amazed by the ocean. It's so much bigger than the lake. She runs towards the waves, letting the cool water splash over her feet. The salty air smells fresh and clean. Grace and her mom build a magnificent sandcastle, complete with tall towers and a moat. They decorate it with seashells they find along the shore, each one a tiny treasure. It's a castle fit for a queen, her mom says, placing a final, beautiful shell on the very top. As summer vacation comes to an end, Grace feels a little sad, but she is also filled with so many happy memories. From the quiet moments at the lake to the exciting adventures at the ocean, it was a summer she would never forget.